Careful.
Always like that with this.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Well, you know, I'm trying to get a loan, home loan.
Where do you want to go?
So it's too cumbersome.
Where do we go?
Just a couple.
Right
Over
there?
there? Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
No one's gonna jump out of here and bite you.
No,
right?
there's not. Hi, how you doing? Hi, I was wondering, could I talk to you a second?
I'm sorry, I need to go to work.
You need to go to work?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I wish I had a job. Oh, she's got a basket. I think you got the same problem I got. But only you've got a basket. Maybe you can help me carry my stuff on your basket.
Well, do you have far to go?
I'm trying to get over here because, you know, what I'm trying to qualify for a business loan right now. But I got this bag. It's got all these burdens in it. And it's got all this just junk in it, you know, and I can't get there. But if you could maybe take me a couple of feet,
Yes.
that'd be
Which way
helpful.
are you headed?
This way.
That way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? I really appreciate you helping me. I think it's going to be cumbersome.
Yeah. Actually, if you want, you can hang it on either side. It's the library closest to his and have his dog.
Huh?
Does that work?
Might work. All right.
Right on.
Come on.
Okay.
Thank you so much. The Million Man March had a profound effect on my life as a black man in America. And that is one of the reasons why I decided to do the documentary that I did, myself and Michael Linus Letting. We went out and we shot it. And that is the reason why I'm doing these seminars right now. These were perilous times for black men and for the black community in general. And I have created a phrase that I want to share with you. I call it black man's baggage. Black man's baggage is discrimination. It's not being able to feel that you are an important part of the American fabric. Black man's baggage is the inability to get a home loan. Black man's baggage is the inability to get a small business loan. It's institutionalized racism. That what we are here to do now is to discover the reasons why the Million Man March had to happen. What was the reason that we had to have the Million Man March? What motivated 1 million men? We're going to take off our coats, roll up our sleeves, and we're going to delve into these questions and many others.